Need improvement with your writing skills? Meet WriteWell. With WriteWell, you can generate prompts that you can write paragraphs about, and you can analyze texts uh, to help you with your analyzation skills. You can also track your progress and history. Now, if you want to build an app similar to WriteWell, here's a 3-step guide to do so. I first designed this app to help with the SAT, but then I realized that anyone who wants to go into good college must have a good writing skill, which is why I also designed for that as well. So the key to generation here is to structure it in the format of what you want, your vision for the app, and the optional how the AI can achieve it. Like for example, my prompt down here. So now if you just plug this in, that's great, but it's ugly. So we're gonna change it. So to revise an app, all you have to do is state out what the AI has to change, like applying the natural tones design theme to the app. So just plug this in, and we're done.